This 2021 Forest River Cherokee Wolfpack 27 PACK-10 is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Newfield, New Jersey, 08344 and is offered for sale by Crossroads Trailer Sales, Inc. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 33 feet 7 inches in length and features sleeps 10, microwave, stovetop burner, air conditioning, spare tire kit, carbon monoxide detector, refrigerator, oven, auxiliary battery, skylight, water heater, and 100 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2021 Forest River Cherokee Wolfpack 27 PACK-10 is 7,976 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.